We have entered Bhutan. We are going forward to Jellyfi town to have a look of the various inhabitants of Bhutan. So sir, we are in a foreign country.
Yeah, we are in a neighboring country, Bhutan. It's bordering with Assam, Sikkim and many other places, West Bengal too. So it's a nice trip. NEIR is doing an amazing work, binding the people together. Humanity is the first criteria of our great definition of civilization. Let's see, the things are going very well. Today we have got a coverage from the government of Sikkim through their Doordarshan program. We have given it in the group. Yes, this is nicely elaborated, the mission, the vision, the effort, which has inspired the KRC Foundation to go ahead with this. We love this journey. We think that we extend our best wishes to the KRC Foundation and wish that it should become an annual event, and as the time goes, it should take its size in a bigger and bigger way. It should be not just an event, it should be a moment where we can accommodate more and more people, not just from Northeast, but from beyond too. Please come, join. Let's try to bring a sense of better unity among the people of Northeast region. Bye bye, thanks.
So Sanjeev, what do you have to say?
It's a great initiative. So any year we are going beyond Northeast.
I think your family was near this Bhutan border only. So sir, through Baksa.
That is true, Baksa.
Baksa. We have entered through Chirang. So when I was planning, Northeast is surrounded by lots of country, but looking into the geopolitics, it is difficult to enter Myanmar now. The border is closed, and Bangladesh also is in turmoil. So we selected that we have no other option but to come to Bhutan, and I am happy that today we could enter Bhutan and have this trip of a neighboring country. Kilometer from here, Bhutan airport, saying. So we go forward a little bit with our pilot car.
It's a nice place with so many straight trees. Most of the trees are very, very straight.
Okay.
So this gives the better production of the timber.
Okay.
When the tree trunk is straight, the volume of extraction becomes more. It's a good thing. And it seems like this is plantation of the government, like government forest reserve area. Good to see all these things. Really nice.
So a Bhutanese car has crossed us.
The driving is more disciplined here. You cannot use the horn. You cannot overtake a car. That's gives a better sense, because the NEI rally, this we told earlier also, it's not about the speed, it's about the discipline. So entering Bhutan, it gives a sense of learning to us also. Yes.
Let's see what holds for us in Bhutan, and we are very happy to enter Bhutan and cover this stretch as a neighboring country. In next edition we'll do many other outreach. We will have time to do the outreach, but let's enjoy today.